Well, I believe this chair is as good as it's going to get. Chili and macaroni. I'm going to get water boiling in the pot. Take it off the boil and then just drop this down in it. I'm loving being out here though. I got to get some more wood up, but it's going to get cold. We're gonna hunker down and sit right here all night long. I'm gonna keep this fire rocking and rolling. I'm trying to save the good stuff for a little bit later on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Yeah, I got all those rocks that was on this fire pit. I got them leaning up against the fire reflector. Gave myself more room. There's a lot of things that I did out here the other day, and I didn't film a video. My family came down here. They wanted to see what I was doing, so we just hung out, had a little lunch while I worked. Got that support right there, the rock under there. Got that support right there with the rock under there. Same with these two posts right here. Oh, getting smoked out. Got these cross members right here. Chair's looking all right. I can lean back on that just fine. I had to put this piece right here because this piece is too big, it was bigger, and I wasn't sitting straight. So I tied that on. It'd be nice to have it going all the way up. Drop it right down in there. Chili mac, baby. I can feel my feet starting to get cold. Everything's so soupy down here and wet. The trail coming in here, this is like mud. Walking through there is a little bit difficult. Slipping and sliding. And these boots have held up well. My feet are not wet. I am starting to get cold a little bit. So I have a t-shirt, this thermal layer on over that. I have sweatpants on, BDU pants, Gore-Tex pants, one pair of just regular socks. Then I got my hoodie, my fleece, my Gore-Tex jacket. All right, we got the wall of wood going on here. Got some good solid pieces of oak right there. That big one right there in the back, that's oak. A lot of that's oak. My feet's warmed up now after going and getting wood. That chili mac's bringing me back to life, man. So right now it's about 7:30. I'm gonna get some coffee in me, get some caffeine going. I'm warm, man. This fire, it's not very big, and I feel fine. I had to come out of my hoodie again. I'm just wondering how long this wood's gonna last. I'm waiting to put on that solid stuff toward the middle of the night. We'll see how long we can make it last. I'm having a blast out here, man. I really am. I've been looking forward to this for a while. Cafe Bustelo, that's some good coffee, man. Black, no sugar, no nut. I do have raw sugar, but I opted out of the raw sugar this time. I just put a piece of oak on here. It's getting cold, and all this soft wood is burning up real fast. So I'm going to get this piece of oak going. I still have 3 more pieces of oak big like this. Man, this axe feels great in my hand. It is solid. It's 11:30. I think I'm just gonna lay back and just close my eyes for a little bit. I'm warm. I'm getting tired. I wonder if there's any spiders up in this shelter. Coming down on my head. Oh well. Maybe so. Now I'm just sitting here listening to this creek running. Every now and then I'll hear some coyotes going crazy off in the distance. They're a long ways away. The occasional airplane going over. It's just so peaceful out here, man. I am perfectly content just sitting here watching this fire. It's putting off some heat too, buddy. You might would say it's boring just sitting here. Boring just sitting here doing nothing. This is the great escape. Escape into the wild. I just went and got some more wood. I had to walk down the trail like on the way in here. Man, it's soupy as hell. Muddy. And I got back, put this wood on it. And I just heard some screeching like from where I just came from. It sounded like cats fighting. I mean, just big cats. I haven't seen any kind of signs of wildlife out here. No deer. No nothing. I've just been hearing stuff off in the distance. Not a lot. Just occasionally. It's crazy how when it gets dark, completely dark, whatever's lurking out in the dark starts making their presence known. They know I'm out here. I am hearing freaking cats or something fighting again. Do you hear that shit? It's behind the shelter. You know what it's called when a pit bull takes a shit in your yard? That's that bullshit. And I swear this is like, it's like 12 hours of darkness. It's dark around 7, 6:37, completely dark by 7. Probably won't get light till 7. Midnight took forever. I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong. I'm having a blast. Even though I haven't slept, I haven't eaten much. This is good for me to do this. Just to see if I can stay up all night long and stay warm. So far I've done a pretty damn good job of it. It is 6:40. Starting to get light out. I've been sitting here with this wool blanket on me because I had to get the fire going again. I should have done that chair a lot better. My back is on fire. Man, I have been nursing punky, wet wood all night long. All the good stuff's been gone a long time ago. This is the best fire that I've had in hours. I am not lying. Looking back, things could have been very different. Instead of wasting time making that chair, I could have made a low-profile shelter out of the extra tarp that was there at the camp and laid right in front of the fire with my wool blanket. Could have gotten more hardwood instead of messing around with the punky wet stuff. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.